subscribe with notifications on.
Right in here, there's a lot of traffic, guys. There's a lot of traffic, right? A lot of traffic. That's in Thailand. That's Bangkok for you, right? That's Bangkok for you. There's a lot of traffic. It's during the day now. It's after 5, so as you can see, a lot of people are going home. There's a lot of traffic, a lot of cars as they are passing, right? They are actually going. It's traffic, guys, traffic. I can zoom it for you guys to see. I can zoom it. Right, there's a lot of traffic all the way. You see all these cars, all of them. Right, all of them. So it's a pity pitch. This is the tuk-tuk. Tuk-tuk. It's a pity pitch. Everyone now is wearing a helmet, going home. As you can see, everyone is going home. Everyone's going home. It's so nice. Nice, lovely, lovely place, guys. As you can see here now. I guess a pity, my daughter. Say pity, my daughter. It's a pity, my daughter. Everyone is going home. Yo, Thailand has a lot of traffic, eh? Right. So I think my family is done. My family is done by. So we're going inside it. We're going inside it. Are you guys done? Okay, let's go. Right? Let's sing. Right. So here, we're going up, we're going down. We entered in a very different area, guys. I've never entered here. I've never entered here. But fourth floor, I see. I see the cafe, whatever. Oh, dining food. Okay, all right, no problem. See, all right. So here we are going. We've got some nice keyring here. Key holder. And this is nice rings, eh? How much?
Normally 700.
700. 700 baht.
Whichever one I can transfer.
I'll 700 baht. No, maybe. Beautiful, eh? Okay, let's go. So right. So we're going, guys. We entered in a different area where I've never been. Oh, I think this is the same mall, MBK Center, right? So we didn't come to this place. We didn't come to this place. Yesterday in bags.
That color is actually.
So we have to go up. We have to go up, guys. Have to go up. This is another area I've never entered. I've never came through here. I've never came through here. The first time I've actually entered in a place like this. Right? Yeah, here guys, you can get a lot of things here. A lot of cheap stuff. They sell everything. They sell clothes, bags, Beautiful bags. Come, guys. Beautiful bags. How much is this bag?
1,700, sir.
1,700, which is 800 rand, guys. It's less than a 1,000 rand at home. And the small one?
1,000, sir.
1,000, only 500 rand.
800 baht.
800 baht, which is 400
Like
rand.
there, 1,400.
1,400, 1,400, which is 700 rand. And this big one?
This same, that one white.
Same.
Same 1,800.
Yo, this is nice.
You can throw.
Guys,
and
this is
like
nice.
no break, durable. Same like this there. Look, boss. When you go airport, like this one, you can throw, you can bend like this one. No break like this. Durable, unbreakable.
Oh,
Super good. No
It doesn't-
stretching, nothing
no
damage.
stretching.
Nothing damage.
can you see how much is this?
This 1,000, sir. Just 1,000.
Yo, this is nice, guys. I bend, baby. It doesn't bend, baby.
You can put your drink in.
Yeah. Put it there, and when you put more, you can carry like this also.
This is nice.
When you put inside food, you can throw, you can stand in your luggage also, boss. Like this.
Ah,
No break. Super good.
it doesn't break. Look at this.
You can use long lasting balls.
1,000, eh?
Yeah, just 1,000.
500 rand, guys. This is very nice.
We have more.
Can you see how beautiful it is?
It's very beautiful. Now I can sit on the suitcase without you guys shouting.
Exactly.
Yeah, color also, boss. Like this, Tiffany, yellow. We have
I'm a
white.
Thailand, guys. Thailand, I love Thailand. You know, I love Thailand. This place,
It's nice.
this place is beautiful. You know, you've got beautiful stuff.
Black one is nice.
Eh?
I'll buy it.
1,000 baht. You know how much is the 1,000 baht? It's 500 rand in our money. This is very nice. I mean, I'll come back.
Okay.
All right, thank you so much. Guys, they've got, yeah. Give pile mo. Mo oraga mahala mo. Mona oraga mahala. Mona is for free. Mona you buy, you get things for free. Hagri mahala, guys. I'm speaking my language. Mahala is like free. You get free stuff. Guys, but this place, yeah. Let me show you guys the beautiful bags for women. Beautiful bags for women. Look at this. Look at these bags. Mommy, how much is this? How much is this?
3,000 baht.
3,000 baht, which is 1,500 rand. Let's see how beautiful it is. Yo. Pure leather. Yo, beautiful. Guys, you know here they've got beautiful stuff, eh? Yee! Look at this. Look at this. Nice. This is nice. This is nice. Wow, look at this. And this one, how much is this?
This is 7,000, sir.
7,000, which is 3,500 rand. You see? Wow. Amen.
If you take many bags, I give you discount.
You'll give me discount.
Yes.
It's okay because we're shopping around, want to stock, want to get many items for selling home.
Selling home,
Yeah.
I give you wholesale price, no problem if you want.
Look at this. Look at these bags. And how much is one?
This is 2,500.
2,000. 2,500. Yo. Guys, they've got
Coming from the.
I have a bag for wholesale also if you want.
bag for wholesale.
Yeah.
No, so I'll come back. All right. Thank you so much.
Like, if you buy 50, 60 bag, I give you price like 1,000, 2,000, 1,200, 1,300 baht.
Perfect. Now I'll come back. Thank you so much.
How many bags?
He's got a bag for 60, you know. What is here?
I'm not going to have the same. Perfect for your tracksuit.
Yeah, this is nice.
Underneath your tracksuit.
This is nice. I'll come back. We're gonna chill it. Wait. Look at this jean. Look at this tracksuit, guys.
What are you watch? Look at the watch, guys.
Where's the watch? Oh, look at this watch, guys. Beautiful watch. How much is this? How much is this?
This one for 15,000.
15,000 baht, which is 7,000 rand.
And this house.
No, I'll come back. I'm just checking first. I'm looking first. All right. All right. So now let's go, guys. I'll show you. I'll get some time so I can show you guys more beautiful stuff. More beautiful stuff, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Mr. K's Travel with Flair, guys. Mr. K's Travel with Flair. Mr. K's Club Travel, guys. I'll get some time to come and get some more videos for you guys. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching.